Blessed, blessed, blessed. Yeah, man. Yeah, the mix up. Yeah. So, we're going to talk about free will and freedom, right? See, we are living in a mental state where we feel so we're trapped and we're under slavery. But you can escape that slavery mentality and live free and be free within you the freedom. Remember, just as everyone would tell you, your mind is very powerful, but it's the way how you're going to do it, the way how you're going to make yourself free and enjoy life. You see, it all starts where you have to turn yourself within you. All the answers are within you. All the questions can be answered within you. But you have to know how to find it within you. It's there. More time sit down and hold a meditation. Just not all the time meditation, but sometimes just sit and be quiet and listen to your mind. Calm. Listen to the words, the voice that speak, and study these things. This is one of the way and powerful way how to start and start to take back control of your awareness of what you're doing. You understand what I say? That inner voice, when it speak, you must listen. But because you're so clouded around with everything else and so much into so many other things, and you don't find yourself where everything is just joyful and just bliss and just excitement and just great. You understand? The wisdom is within you. You understand what I say? And you just have to take some time out to relax your mind, sit down quiet, and just don't say nothing. Just listen to you, how your mind keep chattering. And yes, you can listen to yourself and speaking with yourself and get answers. You will know, because the truth is there within you. You will know what it is. But you also have to start to calm yourself. Release old thoughts to bring in new thoughts. And as I said, just listen to yourself, you know what I mean? And you have to give yourself that moment. And also meditation. Those are the things is very powerful. Blessed.